Wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's my passion to teach the Holy Quran with Tajweed. I am starting my journey to teach the Holy Quran just after completion of my Quran memorization. Alhamdulillah, I have more than 12 year experience in teaching the Holy Quran with proper pronunciation and place of articulation of its letters. Alhamdulillah, a lot of my students have completed their courses like Quran reading and the Qaida with Tajweed, and many of my students are learning Quran memorization. They are highly satisfied with my teaching style because my teaching style is very easy, attractive, and informative because I use different techniques in my teaching style like storytelling method, question answering, and competitive study in my lessons. So every student can understand with any age level. So if you are looking for a teacher who can give you an atmosphere in which you can encourage your learning, so what are you waiting for? Book a lesson and take a try. Jazakallahu khair.